today we are gonna solve the first problem of LeetCode 75 of topic DP-1D, right? So the problem is nth Tribonacci's number. So DP is nothing but the dynamic programming. If you are unaware about DP, so you can Google it. DP Python or DP in DSA, right? So you can read it from here. Dynamic programming. There are multiple techniques of DP, so you can go and read out. So so now we are going to solve this problem. This is an easy type of problem, and the problem is Tribonacci sequence of n is defined as t0 is equal to t0, t1 is equal to 1, t2 is equal to 1, and t3 is equal to t0 plus t1 plus t2. Okay, so this is how. So this is nothing but Tribonacci series is this, right? So what we can do, so Tribonacci for self n, so we'll just return this, right? Tribonacci, so this is just self Tribonacci n minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. So this is how we can solve this problem, but there is one issue, right? So let's see, n is 5, right? So this will get the solution of 4, and inside 4, let's n is 4, this will get the solution of 3. So we will get a solution of 3, right? But again, when it is a 5, we have to again calculate the solution of 3, and we have to again calculate the solution of 2, right? So this will increase our time complexity drastically, because we have to again and again recalculate the things, even if we have calculated it earlier. So I think you get it right, that we can somehow store these calculations or these results. So that is only called DP. So if we have to use a result of some process again and again, right, in the iteration. So we can store those results in a array, right, and we can reuse them in place of recalculating them again and again. So this will of course increase our space complexity, but that is not very that is very small thing for reducing a huge time complexity, right? So what we'll do, we'll make a DP here, which is nothing but total number of n is 37. So okay, we will make a DP of, let's say, 0 into 37. So this is a array. So this is 38 actually, because this is 0 to 37. The total n length of n will be 38. So this is a array in which what we'll do, if we have calculated the n, right, if DP of n is not equals to 0. So first case is if n is equals to 0, right? If n equals to 0, right, RETURN return 0. So these, let's write out down the base cases. If n equals to 0, if n equals to 1, return 1. If n equals to 2, return 2. As if we got the answer earlier in any process, if DP of n is not equals to 0, right? So what we'll do, we will return that answer only. Return DP of n. In place of calculating it again and again, we will return the pre-calculated answer. What we'll do, we will return self dot, okay, this, not this actually, this minus 1. So or we will not returning it, we will store this answer, right? If we don't have this answer, we will store it and we will then return it, right? So we will store it here and then we return dp of n. So this is how you can solve it in O1. dp is not defined, so it is self.dp. This is the syntax of Python. dp is not defined, global name dp. Sorry, this is self.dp. So I hope you understand this approach. I hope you got some n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Okay, sorry, this is 1. My bad. So now, yeah, we'll got a correct answer. So let's submit it. I hope you understand this approach. You understand something about DP. Thank you for your time. Thank you.